Hello, welcome to Welsh Phrase of the Week. I'm William Hugh and I'm a Welsh learner. Well, today's phrase will be very handy when friends call and you would like to invite them into the house. And the phrase is Dewch mewn ac eistedd lawr, which means come in and sit down. Dewch mewn ac eistedd lawr. Now Welsh, like all other languages, has certain shortcuts that people use in everyday life. And that's true of this phrase. In real life you might actually hear people saying Dewch mewn ac eistedd lawr. And I'll say that slower so you can get the pronunciation. Dewch mewn ac eistedd lawr. So there you go. Dewch mewn ac eistedd lawr. Come in and sit down. Well, that's all for this week. Don't forget to like and share, and I'll see you next time. Hwyl fawr i chi.